On this video, we're going to cover the basics of Page Admin. To enter Page Admin, first you need to be logged in with admin rights, and then select Page Admin from the Admin menu. This will ensure you're on a secure page, and now it'll show the Page Admin menu. The first thing you should do when you start altering a page is you should set the look and feel. When we enter the look and feel, the first thing you can do is set the color theme. Now this is a theme for the whole app and all pages that are under this app. And I suggest that you play around with these different themes, and then from that then you can alter all your widgets look and feel following this theme. You can also set a color for the page, and you have the options of either picking a solid color, or you can pick a gradient color, or you can decide to put an image. I'd be careful with the image, because if you load too large of an image in the background, it will slow the load time of your page. But if you select gradient, then you can pick two colors for which to have the color gradient across. Each application can have multiple pages, but we'll cover that in a different video. And then our sections. As you'll notice here, we have this is a section cover that's above the menu, and then we have another section here which has 3 widgets in it. That this section is 3 columns across, and then we have a section here which we place a background image in the section, and then down here we have a footer section where we have 1 widget that is 1 column with 1 widget in that section. To make changes to the sections, select the section and then pick the section menus. Here you'll see we have the now menus pop up for each section. In the header, you could have multiple sections. We have just one at this point. In the body, you can have, which is the body is below the menu, and before the footer, we could have multiple sections. Here we have a section that we show with the 3 widgets, and another section here. Now to make changes to the section, select the Edit Section menu. And here we see we've got the various widgets on the page. At this point, if we want to, we can move the widgets around. For example, I can move that widget there and then move it to the top, and maybe move this widget over here. Of course, to add a widget, you would select the Add widget, select the type of widget, and so forth. We'll go into each type of widget as is added in a more in-depth video on those. Once you're done working with your section, you can now exit the section, and we come back to the full page. It's always important to see what your page would look like on a tablet or a mobile device. So to do that, just shrink the size of your browser, and now you'll see that the page transforms. And now we saw we had 3 widgets. 1 is wrapped around to the bottom, and things size appropriately. We can decrease the size some more here to make it look like it would be on a mobile phone. And now you see the menu changes. And now we have a menu with a hamburger menu with the menu items, and all the menu items will be the same whether it's on the mobile phone or whether it's on the web page. Again, we'll scroll down to see that now the widgets have all piled on top of each other down into a single column and sized appropriately so that they will show up on a mobile phone appropriately. Now we'll go ahead and resize back to the web view. Working with these as far as the mobile and tablet, you will notice that each section and widgets, you can determine whether they are visible on the web page or tablet or just a mobile device. That can help you build a site that looks good on any of those environments. Once you're done working with the page, you can now exit the admin, and you can get a true view of all the changes you've made. And that is the basics of working with a page.